What's up, KK fans? I got something special for y'all. No, it ain't nothing on Thanos, but this is very special. So y'all stay tuned for this video because y'all gonna love this one. What is it? Who knows, but y'all stay tuned. It's a catcher. Told you I was coming with these videos. What's up? Told y'all I had a video for y'all, another one. So, here's the heads up. The old boat I had, it got sold. That's the bad news. The good news is, I have another one. Yes, this is a 1998 Olympic 16-footer. Giving y'all it's an outboard. It's a 40 Evinrude. Evinrude motor, outboard motor. With this one, we finna have some fun. I have to replace the ignition on it already, which I'll probably go get the ignition tomorrow morning. I just want to give y'all a heads up on what it looks like now, and of course y'all know what I'm gonna do to it when I'm finished with it. So y'all stay tuned. So here we are. This is the new side. Well, this is what it looks like before. The seats were in good condition. This boat was purchased very cheap, real cheap. I ain't gonna say how much it was, not until I'm finished with it. But this one was purchased real cheap. Almost about the same amount as I paid for the last boat. So I've taken the seats out already. The seats are in great condition, man. Those are the seats. The bimini top, I'm probably gonna have to replace that bimini top that's on it. That thing was, yeah, it's gone. So I'm probably gonna replace it. As you can see, the floor is in great condition. I'm gonna have to clean this thing up. Like I say, man, the steering is good. Yes, it did come with that. That does work. But yeah, this is the new project. This floor is gonna come up. Well, this little, I guess this little, whatever you want to call it, that's gonna come up. That battery is getting replaced. The gas tank, it's probably gonna get replaced also. I want a newer gas tank on it. But yeah, as y'all see, man, I really ain't got much to do to this boat other than clean it up. But you know, I'm gonna clean it up to the best of my abilities and detail this boat. Also, at the same time I'm cleaning this boat, I'm gonna give y'all the products that I'm using to clean this boat, to wash it, stuff like that. But right now it's just old broom, and a trash bag to clean some of this stuff up. Like I say, this tarp or whatever this piece of stuff is right here, this is coming up, man. I'm gonna take it up and go with a gray carpet. I like the gray carpet. Actually, there's a gray strip on this. Hold on, let me give y'all a better view of the boat. All right, so I hate I shot that video with it up, but I'm sorry about that. But yes, this is the boat. Like I said, it's a 98 Olympic 16-footer. Trailer really don't need much done to it, but I am gonna replace this trailer. Well, I'm not gonna replace it, I'm just gonna repaint it. I'm probably gonna do it black again. I actually added a new ball joint on it. That's brand new. The one that was on it it was kind of bent and stuff. This is finna get replaced also. I'm probably gonna replace that also this week. The winch is pretty good on it, so I don't have to replace that. That's a good thing. The trailer is in good condition. Like I say, 16-footer, man. So like I said, this is gonna be the next rebuild. I really don't have to do much to this one, man. This I'm gonna have to switch out. I'm gonna have to turn it around. They put it on backwards. It's for the bimini top. The wheels are in good condition. The axle is in good condition. This script right here is a gray, so the carpet is gonna match perfect with it. This light is out, but I just bought a new one for it, so I'm gonna install that probably tomorrow also. But the hull is in great shape, man. I mean, it's in great shape. No holes, no leaks, none of that. But yeah, once I clean it up, I'll probably paint it, get some paint and paint this. I don't know what color I want to paint it, but it's going to get painted. I might just go back with the white. I just got to see how it looks when it's clean. But like I say, this is the Evan. It's a 40. Let me show you what the excuse me. Show you what the motor look like. Y'all gotta forgive me, man. It's hard to do this with one hand. I see what everybody be talking about with the one hand stuff. So yeah, this is the engine. Like I said, I would crank it. Excuse me. I would crank it, but that battery is gone. It's to the point where the thing won't even jump start it. Also, the ignition needs to be replaced. But yeah, this is it. 16-footer. I can't wait to finish this boat, man. I was gonna try to do as much as possible today, which I will, which is mainly cleaning and probably pressure washing this thing. But y'all stay tuned, man. This is gonna be fun. I guarantee you this is gonna be fun for y'all. Stay tuned.